Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Mini Cooper wiper blades. First, let's prepare for a smooth replacement. Always gather your new wiper blades and a small towel before you begin. Make sure your Mini Cooper's ignition is off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Placing a towel on the windshield is a smart move. It protects the glass if the wiper arm accidentally springs back. This simple preparation makes the whole process much easier and safer. Now let's get those old blades off. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. Next, look closely at where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small release tab or button. Press this tab firmly. While holding the tab, slide the old wiper blade down or away from the arm's hook. It might be a little stiff, but it should come off with a gentle pull. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm, pushing it firmly until you hear a distinct click. This click confirms it's securely locked in place. Once both new blades are attached, carefully lower each wiper arm back down onto your Mini Cooper's windshield. Avoid letting them snap down. Finally, let's test your new wiper blades. Turn on your Mini Cooper and activate the windshield washer fluid. Observe the blades as they sweep. They should clear the glass smoothly and quietly, making even contact across the entire windshield surface. If you notice any streaking or skipping, double-check the installation. Replacing your blades annually ensures optimal visibility and safety. And for more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.